Now I'm really excited to share this with you. This is the Beard Definer. It's one of our best-selling products. There is nothing else like it out there. So basically, it's got a dark brown colour to the end. It's like a mascara wand. And you lightly comb it through your beard if you have sort of red tones, white tones or grey tones or uneven tones that you just want to blend together and add some definition. You can see from the moustache, it's just added that little bit of oomph that you needed. And also onto the chin, to give yourself a cheeky jawline as well if you want. Don't go too heavy-handed, like build up with this, because less is more. It's very easy to use, great for first-timers that aren't very confident with makeup products. And yeah, it looks great.